Hello everybody on YouTube, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today, tonight, now. Today I'm just going to cook some home chips, McCain, crinkle, going to put them in the air fryer, 20 minutes, 200, and with that, today, going to have some Wood Farm 12 large, 12, I'm not having 12, we're going to have a couple of free range eggs. There's some information there. I'm going to pause that and have a look. And yeah, I'm just going to have a couple of them. Air fry, 200. 20 minutes, there we go. Easy. Hopefully you can still hear me. I've got a submarine roll as well, which was from M&S, which I got 3 eggs, so I'm going to have 3 eggs and chips. Keep it simple. Got some Kerrygold as well, which I'm just going to put in the frying pan to cook the eggs in. A little butter. Not that much. Right, I'm just going to get the butter on. There you go. Cooker's on. He's doing his thing. There you go, nice and golden. So I'm just going to turn that down to a low heat. Cook the eggs slowly. So, lower than that. There we go, nice and low. Low and slow. Get these eggs in there. Oh, look at that, I made a mess of that. Right. Not every day, is it? Can't be perfect all the time. Look at that, look. Oh, look, what a mess. There you go, as you can tell. The worst thing about it is that, you know, I've probably eaten, like, in the last 4 months, probably, I don't know, close on 500 eggs. And usually they turn out, you know, alright, usually a bit runny, or today it's just, I don't know. Sometimes it works out right and sometimes it doesn't. On this occasion, it didn't. Bits of shell, bits of this. Must be having one of the days. There's always tomorrow. So it's just going to cook. That's cooking already. Just going to let that do its thing. Cook it slowly. So to the eggs, I'm just going to add a few chilli flakes. For a little bit of kick. A bit of black pepper. I like a bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm just going to put some salt on my chips as well. There we go. It's doing its thing. Thanks for everyone who subscribed, liked, shared, commented, rung the bell. And if you haven't, I'm starting to waffle, aren't I? That's toughening up, look at that. It's a bit like a jelly, isn't it? Let's see. Like an egg jelly. Better delete that bit out. Let's do this thing. Flip it. Don't look bad though, is it? What's going on? cooking. Might just be able to get it over the top of all the chips. So, give me there. That'd be alright. A bit sticky there, is it? No, it's moving. There we go. Turned it around for you. I might actually be able to get me roll in there and cook it some Kerrygold. Maybe fold that egg over a little bit. This side maybe. Maybe. Oh, nice. It's not complying. That's right, I can get me rolling with that. Sort of. Maybe one at a time, eh? Oh. Chips coming on, nearly done. Depending how you like them. There you go, look at that. It's alright. Go for that. We've got one bit. Right there, it's on. We'll get rid of the pan. I'll get the egg off the heat. So the roll's just on it, but soaked up some of them juices that were in the bottom of the pan. Oh yeah. Looking good. Still looking nice and gooey anyway. Everywhere around it looks nice and cooked. Yeah, look at that. Splat. Chips. Chips right there. Turn it off. I think this roll's probably done. Nearly. Just try and get that around the ends there. That's not bad. Right, let's get you where you can see. Here we go. Chips on, hopefully. Put your chips on there. With me eggy bread. Eggy bread? It's not eggy bread, is it? It's not eggy bread at all. What am I on about? There you go. That'll do. There we go. Dinner's done, nice and easy. Cooked in Kerrygold. Chili flakes and salt and pepper and all of that. There you go, it's all on there. Lovely and golden. Sometimes it's the simple things, you know, egg and chips, quick and easy. It's been a staple meal for, I don't know, donkey's years, isn't it, really? Bit of butter on there as well, on the chips. Bit of egg and all of that in my submarine roll. Oh. Found a few. I found a few chili flakes then. There you go. Tell you what, I'll show you the other side. So it's not burnt. There you go. Maybe a little bit, but yeah, it'll be alright. For flavours, spot on. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and subscribed. Or just watch the video. That's fine. Don't mind. Either. Hopefully you like the video. If you don't, watch the one before or the one after. Maybe tomorrow's. Don't know. Roast chicken probably. Roast chicken, roast potatoes. Probably some sort of green vegetables of some sort. Sweet corn. Definitely some gravy. Got to be some gravy in there. Yeah. And I'll catch you tomorrow. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.